You absolutely have to join in on the fun. This is mystery basket recipe number one. I have my followers choosing four random ingredients, and the most liked post is going to be the recipe I choose to make. She wanted me to use pineapples, walnuts, puff pastry, and mushrooms. I start off by boiling my walnuts with a little bit of vegan beef bouillon for about 45 minutes until the water is done. Next, I add in my olive oil and the mushroom. Next, I'll add in my garlic, shallots, scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, and green onions. Then I'll go ahead and give that a nice mix, and then I'll season that with a little bit of thyme, curry powder, allspice, and then I also add in some jerk marinade. And you can choose to use spicy or mild, it just depends on your heat level. Next, I'll add in a little bit of water and add this all to my food processor. Now, you want to pulse this down until it's very mint and you want it to have a soft like texture. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my puff pastry and make my vegan egg wash, which is just a little bit of cornstarch, water, and curry powder. Next, I spooned over my vegan meat and I used a bit of vegan mozzarella cheese. Then I'm going to go ahead and use that same vegan egg wash and put that on my puff pastry to seal it. And then I like to press it down around the edges and use a fork to seal the deal. You can use a piece of cutter to take off the excess edges. And you want to make sure you put some of that mixture right on top and put it in the oven on 400 degrees. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make my pineapple pepper sauce. And this is super easy. Be sure to screenshot this list of ingredients, and your girl do not measure. So these are approximate. So you can adjust this to taste. For my pepper sauce, I like the texture, so I do pulse it. But if you want it blended to more of a saucy texture, you can go ahead and put it in a high power blender and blend it for about 45 seconds until it is liquefied and put it through a strainer. Once I go ahead and complete everything, I top it with a little bit of cilantro. And when I tell you, baby, this thing was banging, let me know how you think I did with these ingredients and what would you have done differently. I can't wait for you to try it out and comment below so we can have some more fun.